Let's hit some calls of the day. Heico and Leidos initiated or resumed with buy ratings. That's at Stiefel. It's Heico, a record high today. You own both of these names, Joe.
Heico's the number 3 ranked stock out of all the 22 industrial names that we own. You're experiencing double-digit revenue growth here. The commercial aerospace component of it, remarkably strong. Leidos in a little bit of a different direction. I think Stephen Weiss gave this as his final trade yesterday. They're still recovering from the sell-off that they had in November, a significant sell-off related to government contractor concerns. They're recovering from that slowly, but not in the best place. I like Heico clearly over Leidos.
What about Howmet? Target to 205 at Jefferies. Let's look at that one. The target was 195. It's a record high today for that stock.
Yeah, and that's number 1. That's the number 1 ranked industrial stock that we own in the ETF. We've owned it for quite some time. This company is executing remarkably well, and they have relationships in commercial aerospace that allows them to see their balance sheet continue to be fortified and to see revenue growth accelerating. Number 1 holding, very proud of what it's done.
All right, Snowflake has new coverage over at Morgan Stanley, and they raised the stock to overweight. Better executing and faster innovating. That's the headline here. 52-week high for that stock there, Steph.
So they have a new CEO. He's been there for about a little over a year, and they have new products, and they're all coming to market. And as a result, product revenues are growing something like 28, 29%, and that's leading to 70% earnings growth and 25% in revenue growth. So I like this story. It's not cheap. It's had a nice comeback, but I do like it for the AI data center.
Let's see Electronic Arts, please. Upgraded to buy from neutral. That's at Roth. Target 185 from 175. They say they have increased confidence in this company's ability to execute and deliver double-digit EPS growth over the next 3 years.
And that's been the story, and that's been the reason why it decelerated from the November all-time high that it had. It's the weakening revenue growth. You want to see that pick up. There's a lot of expectations here that this potentially is an M&A target because of what we witnessed with Microsoft and Activision Blizzard. I'm not necessarily sure if that's the case moving forward. You need to see better growth. That's the story here. The balance sheet's gotten a little bit better. It's in a place where I would really identify as you just kind of want to wait and see and let it prove itself. I don't think it's a call to action right here.
Okay. GE Vernova, let's look at that one. Morgan Stanley, I feel like they're chasing this a little bit. They raised the target to 511. Okay, see what the stock is. It's 507. They love the stock. No, they love it. They reiterate the overweight. They reiterate the overweight. They've liked it. Guess they just didn't think it was going to go up as much as it did. They also increased their bull case, and maybe this is a more fair way to look at this. $727 is the bull case on this name.
I mean, look, it's up 200% in the past year. It's the electrification theme, which we're going to spend $4 trillion between now and 2050. So you can own GE Vernova, which has margin expansion and free cash flow growth coming, or you can own Quanta Services, Eaton, Rockwell, Vertiv. That's a new name for me. So I'm in this theme in a big, big way. It is one of my favorite themes for the next decade.
Joe, lastly, EQT, buy at Roth, $69.
Remarkable. Natural gas prices down 11% this quarter. This natural gas tethered stock continues to move higher. Here's the challenge that you have. And understand, I have a double in this stock, so I could sit and wait with this. Yeah. But they are hedged in 2025. They're not hedged in 2026. So tell me where you think natural gas prices are going to go, and that'll allow you to determine what you do with the position.